Stop right now. You have been lied to. The forex market from any other digital asset markets such as stocks, bonds, indexes, and crypto. They were designed for you to win. Just like every other business model, they are designed to make profits. But today, I'm going to be exposing their biggest secret because these banks, hedge funds, and your brokers want you to keep making bad trades so they don't eat your money. And if you stay till the end, you should have mastered the risk reward curve that flips the streets so you take their money instead. Smash the like button if you are tired of being played. So today, we are going to be looking at the theory ratio 1 rule that will make you maximize your trading opportunity to stay profitable. And I'm going to be looking at this in 5 categories. Number 1, what is risk reward? 2, why 90% of traders fail? 3, the brokers get it signals, or you can say the brokers get the trick. Number 4, the winning formula, how to set the perfect risk reward. The big secret of staying profitable using risk reward ratio as number 5. So now, what is risk reward? Risk reward ratio is the cheat code to printing money in the market. But nobody tells the retail traders because it is bad for business. Risk reward shows the relationship between your potential loss to your potential gain in a trade. It's the only thing that can save you from blowing your account. Let's imagine this scenario. Imagine we have 2 persons. One is risking $100 at any trade he takes to make $300. Why another risks $100 to make $100 at any trade he takes? You are looking at the first person that risks $100 to make $300 is actually the smart money trader here. Is the one who understands that to beat this game to certainty, you need to have parameters in check that will put the odds in your favor. But the second person, that's how both traders think. Alright? If you master this reward ratio, you can lose more trades than you win and still make money. Isn't that amazing? That is just too amazing. Meanwhile, the guy risking 100 to make 100, you need 51% win rate just to break even. One bad trade and it's done. And that is why 90% of traders fail. And this takes us to the second aspect of what we're talking about today, about the risk reward. Is why 90% of traders fail. Most traders lose because they fail to modify this approach or these approaches of their mining that they refuse to open. Number 1 is they set stop losses too tight and get stopped out insanely. And I'm going to be showing you these things at the chart. Number 2, they take profit too early because they are afraid of losing. Then number 3, they allow their losing trade to run because of hope. And hope is not a strategy. The market doesn't care about your emotions. You need a system that wins, even when you lose more than half of your trades. Alright? If you go into the charts, look at this for example. This is a daily time frame. Let's see what we have. Okay. We have this. Listen, this price for what we are seeing here, one of the price is over bearish. Alright, and we have this sell side inefficiency that price came to. Alright, you know there's some people because they know that okay, there's 50% of this inefficiency which we call cost plus enforcement. 50% of that inefficiency trade price most of the time trades into it. Alright, look at what they will do. 50% of this. Good. They'll take this. They want to enter the trade at 50% here, and the stop loss will end at the end where this inefficiency was, you see, and with their targets probably this low. All right, this low, this low. All right, look at what happened. Look at the time still subsides. There is a not possible thing. There's a structural high until we stop loss above here. So you can see that this guy would have had big chances of still being in this trade. The first one was already stopped out because of what? They put in stop losses that is too tight and get stopped out. Then that takes us to the third aspect of what I'm discussing here, the broker's territory. Your broker wants you to ignore risk reward. Do you know why? You know why they want you to ignore risk reward? They want you to do that because when you have a bad risk reward ratio approach, it's equal to more losses. And more losses equal to more deposits. And more money deposited in your brokerage account equal to more money for them. Ever noticed how your broker's education course never talked about risk reward ratio in details? Ever wonder why they give you insane leverage? 1 ratio 2000. So you have to risk more without insane leverage. Ever seen a broker suggest 1 ratio 3 risk reward ratio? Never. Wake up. If you're trading without risk reward ratio, remember, say just hand over your money to the market. And there's a winning formula to beat these guys. There's a winning formula which we have been about 9 minutes for. And how to sell perfect risk reward. Number one is always aim for at least 1 ratio 3, no exception. What's that? What we did? No exception. No exception. Look at. Okay. Suppose we are trying to do what that personally want to do. Okay, look at this. We have this 5 or staking. We have this 5 taking, we will trade. That high was staking. This internal structure was broken. So that's what happened. Or the inefficiency I was here. Okay, so that would assume that this is possible that we have some chances of holding to move from. So what do you want to do? Before we look at again, we sell. Timing was promising. That was a good timing though. That was a very good timing. This is a particular illustration. So, what is it? This one we should take. This one we should take a risky one to get paid. Alright? So, I can say this place of stop loss below at those key levels, not a random places based on mere feelings. Take profit at logical levels, not based on rule. If your stop loss is too big, favor your lot size. For example, if I'm doing this trade, I'm not looking at the first 1 ratio is here, and we want to take cash as out of this market. It's here. 1 ratio is here. But almost the time it's some of our trades. Most of almost all our trades drop the victory ground group. The TP1, TP1, so TP1 most of the time is always 1 ratio. So here we can have take something away from the button. You understand? So the last TP cannot be open or breaking over, or you take it at the last period normally switch, alright? So it's easy. It's easy. Most traders say because they use a spread and fold until user story. This is what summarizes the chief aspects of this process. This is what I'm talking about. The big secret of saying instead of I just said it. Most traders seem to allow their own interest to run, and they now close it early because they are scared. But when they are loose, they don't close it early. Instead, they sneak into the how can you fix this? If your trade is winning, one of the ways from back there, say the major way to fix this is don't close it early. Instead, adjust the stop loss. For example, this trade got triggered, and now the trade is already here, alright, it's already here. What I'll do, I'll take this trade, break even. Break even. And there's no risk for this trade anymore. Break even. Waiting to get to the last CP. And you get to make more. So it's more better instead of being scared and you just exit the trade, then you break even. That's where you go. And if your trade is losing, take the loss, no emotion, step aside. So blow your mind. Do you know that the best traders, 70% of their trades, but they make so much because their risk reward is fun. Break even, they don't break their risk reward. What's the risk reward? Minimum for 1 ratio 3. At any time you want to take a trade, even though it is scarf, even if it is swing trade, you should at least have risk reward ratio if you are risking 1% of your account to get 3 times 3, minimum times 3. And lastly, just as I said before, if you ignore risk reward, you might as well donate your money to the market. Drop a comment. What's your risk reward ratio? Are you using 1 ratio 3 or gambling with 1 ratio 1? Smash the like button if you are ready to trade smart. Subscribe now because next time I am going to be exposing how the market back treat traders. See you in the next one. Let's get this done. Happy trading. Let's say cheers. Bye.